All right, everyone, we're going to move on to Onyxcoin next. So Onyxcoin right now is trading at 0.009810. In the last 24 hours, we're down that 7% in the price. Volume has a slight uptick here for 35%. So there is some activity. I just don't know if it's enough activity here to see a breakthrough towards the upside. I know Onyxcoin has been struggling. The team itself, the developers, are trying to come out with, a lot of things to anticipate, especially in that new roadmap that they made. But essentially, where is the bottom here to accumulate and see some positive gains here for Onyx Coin? So starting it off on the weekly time frame, it is a little warning sign here for me because we may see a close below our 20 moving average. And typically, whenever we see the price closing below moving averages, it basically ruins the overall primary trend because we were initially in upwards trend. This may be the bearish trend starting itself. When we look at the MACD indicator, these histograms itself are really, really red. They're growing as well. So we're seeing a lot of selling pressure. The only alarming sign here is if we do see our K and our D line below the 0%, then we know the overall trend itself is turning over to the bearish trend. But quickly looking at the daily time frame, I want to say that Onyx Coin always puts me on edge. We're always seeing small little dips and then seeing these huge recoveries towards the upside. The only thing again as well kind of follows in line is that we're not hitting the right resistance line and holding on to that support. So it kind of makes me think that is Onyx Coin being manipulated here? Are we seeing these small areas of support and then huge upticks towards the upside where those big whales are basically profiting from the big action move here? One of the things here too that I don't ideally like when I look at crypto coins is the lack of momentum and the lack of strength here. Typically when we see the RSI cross above our signal lines here, we want to build that momentum and see the coin kind of stabilize towards the upside. And normally we would see that if the price and the RSI can reach around that 45 to 55% of the RSI, but we're always continuously hitting it short. Our max cap was at 45, 44%, and then coming down again. So we are looking towards a oversold signals here, but I just don't feel like it's enough here for the bulls to really recover this area day after day or week. Yeah, we're daily. Day after day here, we're always seeing this bearish dip here and breaking through key areas of support. I mean, when we saw the uptick in terms of Onyx Coin in mid-January, there was really not an area here that the price is able to hold as a good area of support. We had seen 2 days here on January 18th and 19th coming down to the price point of 0.00831. So we could possibly see that as an area of support if the price does come down to that area. Another thing here to keep in mind as well when we look at the MACD indicator, again, this does show a lack of conviction in terms of the bulls. These histograms and momentums really not building it up. So I'm almost thinking because of the media coverage over Onyx Coin and, the white paper here, the promises that they're making for the future, I'm almost thinking those big industries and investors are just waiting to really see if these investments are worth their money essentially, or is it not going to be that successful? Because it doesn't seem like there are any whales biting into here until the price does come down to that area of support and we see those small little bursts. In terms of the 4-hour time frame, again, still kind of coming down to this area of support. We may see an uptick in volume coming up towards the area of resistance of 0.01. So ideally around that 1 cent. If we take a look again at some of our momentum indicators with our MACD indicator here, still showing a lot of bearish movement. So in the next 24 hours, let's quickly take a look at the daily time frame. This is going to be the support area that we are going to keep our eye on, is going to be around 0.0095. Again, we are looking very heavy in the selling momentum. We're not really seeing any bullish reversal candlesticks as the price is coming down. If we do see any inverted hammer candlesticks, any doji candlesticks, graveyard doji candlesticks, anything like that closer to this area of support, then I want to say we may have a chance, but really just kind of reacting around this support to see if there is any leg towards the upside. We may see some momentum here flipping over as we see our K and our D line getting closer. A shift of momentum may be in play in the next 24 hours. But let me know what you guys think down below here for Onyxcoin. I know they've been kind of scrapping around trying to get some media coverage, some new players into the game to really boost the coin itself. But until those projects and the white paper, of course, going through it, and we actually see promises that, or I guess the project progress itself, then I think we can be able to see some turnaround here for Onyxcoin. But for me, overall, it is kind of bearish until we hit that marker of that support and kind of see if there is any type of bullish reactions. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I might do another video. I'm not too sure, but hopefully I catch you guys in that one. But see you guys later. Bye.